I came back to the spot I was shot a couple years ago for one reason, and one reason only.
Hey man, you want some stuff?
Yeah, here. You take priceless coins? But
Dude, that's not priceless.
oh, okay. I think I got a credit card right here. Like that.
That's mine.
Why is it?
It's to help sell the thing.
Oh. What? It's to help me grow a mustache. Not everybody can grow a mustache.
Mine's natural.
You know what? Not everybody's like you, man. God. Waiting for my credit card. Waiting for my credit.
This won't work. It's been too much used on internet porn, so.
Okay. I think I got one in here. So, hey! Talking about drugs, bitch! Son of a... Hey. Nobody sells handkerchief for illegal drugs! So, no! God, get away! You want some?
Mm-hmm.